Hi, this is Johnny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon guys, meron akong gustong i-share sa inyo about dito sa pagkuha ng PSA certification. Gaya ng birth certificates, marriage certificate, death certificate, and SINOMAR. Ang ituturo ko sa inyo guys, kung paano tayo kumuha ng certification personal dun sa branch. Actually, during the pandemic, hindi nila ina-allowed yung walk-in sa kanilang branch. So, puro online yung ina-allowed nila. So, pwede tayo mag-order ng certification via online gamit ang PSA helpline.ph saka psaservice.com.ph. So, actually, mayroon akong mga tutorial about dito sa pagkuha ng mga certification via online gamit ng PSA helpline.ph saka psaservice.com.ph. Pero ang ituturo ko sa inyo guys kung paano naman tayo kumuha ng certification dun sa branch mismo ng PSA. So ngayon guys, ina-allowed na nila yung mga walk-in, kaya lang kailangan daw natin mag-set ng appointment sa kanilang website. Kasi kinokontrol nila yung tao na pupunta dun sa kanilang branch. Pero dito guys, hindi sa lahat ng branch, so limited lang po yung branch nila. So makikita din natin dito sa website nila kung ano yung mga available na branch. Para mapag-set tayo ng appointment sa PSA, pupunta lang tayo sa website nila guys. I-type mo dyan sa browser mo, psa.gov.ph. So ito yung website nila. So, ito yung dashboard. Then, scroll up lang natin. Then, hanapin natin yung CRS Appointment System. So, ito guys. So, click lang natin to. PSA Online Appointment System. Civil Registration Service Appointment System. So, click lang natin to. Here are the steps in setting an appointment with PSA.
Step 1. Choose the PSA CRS outlet where you would like to set an appointment. If you are in NCR and requesting for a PSA certificate that underwent court decrees and legal instruments for the first time, book an appointment at East Avenue. Step 2. Provide your name, email address, and mobile number. The PSA will send a copy of your appointment sheet via email. You will receive a verification code on the email address. Step 3. Select the type of PSA certificate that you would like to request. If you are requesting for someone else, please indicate their names and your relationship to the certificate owner. Step 4. Choose the date and time when you plan to visit your chosen PSA outlet. Step 5. Take note of the important details of the appointment. Double-check that your name, email address, and mobile number on the screen are all accurate. It is important your name matches your ID exactly. Use your complete full name, no initials. Step 6. You will receive a copy of your appointment slip via email. Please save the PDF file on your phone or print it out. You will need to print the entire form, including the QR code. Step 7. Go to your chosen PSA outlet on the date of your appointment. Be at the outlet's premises on time or a few minutes earlier. Bring your own pen and make sure you are protected by a face mask.
So, ito yung privacy notice nila guys. So, pwede natin basahin ito. And then, click natin yung I agree.
Important reminders. Minors are not allowed to book an appointment. 2. If the requesting party is a duly authorized representative, the original copy of the authorization letter and valid ID must be presented. Provide correct details for applicant/authorized representative. 3. This appointment and scheduling system allocates slots on a first-come, first-served basis.
Ayan, then click natin yung next. Choose a region. Pipiliin lang natin dito kung saan tayo region. Halimbawa, NCR. Choose an outlet. Then, kunwari, pili natin yung East Avenue. Then, click natin yung next. And so, fill up natin to guys. Sabi dito, please provide your contact information for the appointment. We will send you a copy of your appointment confirmation via email. If you are making this appointment for someone else, please indicate their contact details and take note that all the reminders and requirements will then apply to them. If you are requesting for someone else certificates, use your own personal details in this form. You will be able to indicate their names on the next page. So, halimbawa tayo yung magre-request ng birth certificate. So, ito yung ilalagay natin dito, yung first name, middle name, last name, email address, saka mobile number. Kung halimbawa naman, if you are requesting for someone else's certificate, use your own personal details in this form. So, kung nagre-request tayo ng certification ng ibang tao, ilagay natin dito yung pangalan natin. So, fill upan natin. So, ayan guys, gamitin natin yung pangalan ni Juan de la Cruz. So, tutorial purposes lang. Then, email address, then yung mobile number natin. Then, click natin yung I agree. Then, click natin yung next. We have sent a 6-digit verification code to your registered email address. So, open natin yung email address natin. So, ito siya, 964160. So, i-copy natin yan. Then, balik tayo sa PSA. Then, ipi-paste natin. Then, verify. Please enter the certificates you are requesting for. So, ilalagay natin dito yung i-request natin na certificate. So, select natin yung certificate type. So, halimbawa, birth certificate. Then, relationship. Kung halimbawa tayo mismo yung kukuha, so pili natin yung self, father, mother, son, daughter, grandparent, grandchild, authorized representative. So, dito sa authorized representative, guys, kailangan natin ng authorization letter. So, halimbawa, self. Then, scroll up na natin. Then, click natin yung next. Please select your preferred date and time of appointment. Then, click natin dito. So, ang available dito, guys, yung 16 onward. So, since ngayon is May 15, bukas pwede tayo mag-set ng appointment kagad. And so, depende yun, guys, kasi ito minsan napupuno yung schedule. So, sabi naman doon, first come, first serve basis. Halimbawa, 16. So, available yung date, pero yung time, full na siya. Try natin yung 17. And so, mayroon available dito, yung 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m. So, ito hanggang 3 p.m. available siya. So, halimbawa, pipiliin natin dito yung 8 a.m. Then, click natin yung next. Please review the details of your appointment. Keep in mind that this appointment is non-transferable. So, hindi siya pwedeng i-transfer sa ibang tao. Then, click natin yung confirm. So, sabi dito, appointment confirm. You have successfully booked an appointment in East Avenue on Tuesday, May 17, 2022 at 8 a.m. So, click natin yung next. And so, ito yung ano natin, guys, ipiprint natin to, yung Civil Registration Service Appointment Slip. So, print lang natin to. So, andito yung mga important reminders. So, halimbawa, nalilito tayo, kung ano ba yung gagawin natin, ano yung mga dapat natin dalhin. So, basahin natin itong mga important reminders. Then, yung procedure for application. Ayan, so sabi dito, do not forget to bring an ID that is matched to the name you have encoded. So, kailangan parehas yung ID na dadalhin natin dun sa in-encode natin na pangalan. Download and fill out the health declaration form. Click here. Then please make sure to bring it with your own appointment. You can download the application form below. So, halimbawa yung request natin is yung birth certificate. So, i-download natin to, guys. So, ito ipa-print natin. Then, fill upan natin pagpunta natin dun sa branch. So, mas maganda mapilapan natin bago tayo pumunta para dire-diretso na yung process ng ano natin, ng request natin na certificate. Then, itong health declaration. So, i-print din natin to. So, meron din tayong i-print pa na isa, yung appointment. Check natin dito sa email. And so, PSA Online Appointment System Confirmation. View Appointment. Then, ipiprint natin to. Print Appointment Form. And so, ito yung papakita natin, guys, pagpunta natin dun sa PSA branch na napili natin. So, tatlo yung ipaprint natin. Itong Civil Registration Service Appointment Slip. Then, Application Form. Then, pangatlo, yung Health Survey Form. Saka yung mga kailangan natin nadalhin yung mga valid IDs. And then, makukuha din natin kagad yun, guys. So, yung payment na babayaran natin dito, yung certificate is 155 per copy. So, kung Senomar naman yung in-request natin, so 210 po yung bayad niya per copy. Ayun, guys, ganoon lang yung pag-set ng appointment online dito sa pagkuha ng PSA certificate sa PSA. I hope na nasundan nyo yung video tutorial ko at sana nagustuhan ninyo. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and hit notification bell para ma-update kayo dun sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. Maraming salamat po and God bless. See you on the next video.